Hello everyone, this video is from Preeti Academy International School for Standard 8th Subject Science. We have started with chapter number 1. There is a last part, that is a storage. Proper storage of food grains is necessary to get the regular supply of food products throughout the year. Beta, there is a season for every crop. So, to maintain the supply of food in all the seasons, we have to grow that crop in main season, and surplus food grains should be stored so that we can do regular supply of food products throughout the year. As proper storage protects the food grains and other agricultural products from pests, rodents and microbes. अगर हम लोग if we are taking proper care of food grains, it will be protected from rodents and other microbes which used to destroy the crop or grain. Due to improper storage, more than 10% of crop produce is spoiled in India. Because of improper storage, not a proper method of storing the food grains, 10% of crop produce is spoiled, is being wasted in India. The harvested crop grain have more moisture content, so before storing them, grains are properly dried in the sun. Beta, the harvested food grain contain the moisture. Moisture is very good for the microorganisms to grow. It helps to grow and rapid multiplication of microbes. So we should take care that and check before storing that the crop is completely dried. To dry the crop, we should keep the crop in sunlight. On the commercial scale, however, mechanical dryers with hot blowing airs are used in industries. Today we are having mechanical dryers which used to supply a hot air to the grains. This prevents the attacks of insects, pests, bacteria and fungi. The dried food grains are then stored in suitable storage container. Once the food is being dried, then it is being stored in containers. On small scale, farmers store grains in jute bag or metallic bins. See here, this is a small scale. They used to use gunny bags and jute bags. On commercial scale, food grains are stored in gunny bags, in grainers or in the soles. See here, this is our soles, where a large scale food grains are being stored. The gunny bags filled with dried food grains are stacked in large granary godowns. The food grains are filled in gunny bags and gunny bags are stored in godowns. Pathway called alley are provided between the stack of grains filled bag for a periodic inspection, spraying and fragmentation. This treatment protects the food grains from pests and microorganisms. There should be a little space so that we can inspect, see, take care of the food grains, or we can spray the insecticides and fragmentation so the crop can be protected from pests and microorganisms. The swells are big and tall cylinders structure. They store different stocks of food items at different level. This is a commercial method for storing the food grain in large quantity. Each level has an opening through which grains can be taken out when required. We used to open these and the required amount of food grain is removed. Next is food from animals. The animals need good food, shelter and care for proper growth and food production. The science which deals with breeding, feeding and caring of domestic animals is called animal husbandry. In India, We used to rear the animals like cow for milk, goat for meat. The science which deals with breeding, feeding, बेटा द एनिमल्स बीइंग ब्रीड फीड खाना खिलाते हैं, केयर करते हैं डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स की, उनको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. वी गेट मिल्क फ्रॉम काउ, बफेलो, गोट एंड कैमल. Milk is used to prepare many products like butter, ghee, cheese, curd, etc. We get eggs and meat from hen, duck, turkey. We used to eat the eggs of hen mostly. The production of fish on large scale by farming of fish in fish nursery. Beta, we used to make an artificial pond and put some fishes and rear them. Such process is called pisciculture. Thank you everyone.